Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Equivalence point questions get easy fast when you track moles, compare the acids, and let the table do the heavy lifting for you. At the equivalence point, the moles of NaOH added must equal the moles of acid originally present, because this neutralization is a one-to-one reaction, so that relationship drives everything. Both HClO4 and HClO are monoprotic acids, so each mole of either acid reacts with exactly 1 mole of NaOH, and that means their acid moles determine base moles directly. The HClO sample has twice the moles of the comparison sample in the table, so it needs twice the NaOH volume, giving 48.0 milliliters. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Don't rush signs or assumptions. Trust the given data and check each step before choosing.